Hi, welcome to Riverside Grill. Will it be just you today?
Hi, yes, just me. Is it okay if I sit by the window?
Of course. Please follow me. Here you go. This table has a great view. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Thank you. Yes, could I have a glass of water and maybe look at the drink menu?
Absolutely. Here's the drink menu. I'll bring your water right away.
Perfect, thank you.
All right, here's your water. Have you had a chance to look through the menu?
A little bit. There are so many good options. What do you recommend?
It depends on what you're in the mood for. Our most popular dish is the grilled salmon with vegetables. The pasta is also very good, creamy but not too heavy. If you prefer something lighter, the chicken salad is a great choice.
Everything sounds delicious. I think I'm leaning toward the salmon. Is it very spicy?
Not at all. It has a mild lemon butter sauce. We can also make it without the sauce if you prefer.
No, the sauce sounds great. I'll have the salmon, please.
Wonderful choice. Would you like a soup or salad to start?
What kind of soup do you have today?
Today's soup is a tomato basil soup. It's homemade and very popular.
That sounds good. I'll take the soup, please.
Great! I'll put your order in. It should be out shortly. Here's your soup. Let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you. It smells amazing. I'll enjoy this.
How is everything so far?
It's delicious. The soup is really fresh.
I'm glad you like it. Your salmon should be ready in just a couple of minutes. Here we are. Grilled salmon with vegetables. Can I get you anything else right now? Maybe more water or a different drink?
More water would be great. Thank you. This looks wonderful.
I'll refill your glass. Enjoy your meal. How's everything? Is the salmon cooked to your liking?
Yes, it's perfect. Very flavorful. The vegetables are great too.
I'm happy to hear that. If you need anything else, I'll be just around.
Excuse me?
Yes, of course. How can I help?
Could I see the dessert menu, please?
Absolutely. Here you go. Our most popular dessert is the chocolate lava cake. We also have cheesecake, fruit tart, and homemade ice cream.
Wow, they all sound good. What do you recommend?
If you like chocolate, the lava cake is amazing. It comes warm with vanilla ice cream.
That sounds too good to pass up. I'll try the chocolate lava cake.
Excellent choice. It'll be out in just a few minutes. Here you go. Enjoy.
This looks incredible. Thank you.
How is everything?
This dessert is amazing. I'm glad I ordered it.
I'm so happy to hear that. Would you like anything else? Maybe coffee or tea?
No, I think I'm good. Could I get the check, please?
Certainly. I'll bring it right away. Here's your check. Take your time.
Thank you. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major cards, Apple Pay, and cash.
Great. I'll pay with my card.
Perfect. I'll be right back with your receipt. Here's your card and your receipt. Thank you so much for dining with us today.
Thank you. Everything was delicious. Have a great day.
You too. We hope to see you again soon.